Yes, my viewers, this is a review on a banana tree. All right, this banana tree don't shoot as yet. Yeah, so I start on this one. All right, have a young one at the root here. Yeah, but up the top here, it was not ready to shoot. All right, so this is day one. All right, this is day two. This is day two. The young banana tree grow a little bit taller, and the banana tree itself shoot. Yeah, this is from a different angle, as you can see. Yeah, as you can see, the banana shoot now. So it is time to put out banana. All right, I'm gonna give you from a different angle, show you what's going on with the shooting of the banana here.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
All right, viewers, as you can see here, this is the shooting. All right, this is the shooting, and every layer that come off, it give you one hand of banana. Every layer that come off, it give you a hand of banana. All right, stick and stay for more information. All right, inside here is where all the banana is. Okay, so each time a leaf come off, yeah, after it leave the shoot here, it leave a hand. Yeah, so there is our next one around here. So soon as this one is drop off, it's gonna leave a hand, and then it's gonna shoot a next one from here. You understand? Yeah, so this is all about the banana. So when time it shoot and put out the amount of hand it's going to put out, yeah, it's going to stop open from here, because it open from here to give you all the hands, you know. Yeah, so soon as it put out enough, if it put out 7 hands and that's it, it's going to stop and leave this little part here unopening. So soon as the banana is about to fit, you have to cut off here. You can cut off here, you know, for it to continue to get fit. All right, yeah man, so you're ready to Jamaican Farmers Hut. All right, stick and stay. Okay, my viewers, don't know what is the name of this, but this is one of the leaves that come off. So each time one of these drop off, yeah, it gives you a hand. That is one hand of banana. So yeah, make I fold it out and show you guys. Yeah. Yeah. So this part, this leaf here, it come off. As you can see, it come off at this part here. Yeah, right down here. Yeah, that's where it come off. So each time as you can see, it was fold up. Each time one fold up. Yeah, each time one fold up like this. Yeah, each time it fold up like this, it fold up and then it drop off and give you a hand. All right, so this is what it leave. It leave a hand of banana to, you know, to continue grow. So I'm gonna give you update on this banana day by day. All right, yeah man. Yes, my viewers, every day I'm going to give you an update on this banana, or every other day. Yeah, to show you how it operating, what it is doing. All right. Yeah, so I show you before it shoot, and then I show you now that it shoot. Yeah, so once it shoot and the banana is growing, there's a younger one at the root started to grow. You understand? So Soon as this one reach where it can cut down and you cut it down, after you cut off the banana, the bunch of banana, you're gonna cut down the chunk part here, yeah, and leave this one to grow. All right. And if you scratch at the root and look very carefully, there's an next younger one growing there. The root of the banana should be clear out. It should be clean, you know. But this root of banana here have been wasp inside of it. So we have to get rid of the wasp before. All right. Okay, I'm gonna give you a review every day or every other day on this banana here and show you how it grows until when I cut it. All right. Stick and stay. Yes, my viewers, back at the bunch of banana here, and as you can see, this is a lot of change. A lot of change, my viewers. As you can see, a lot of change. This is 4 hand on it right now, as you can see. As soon as the bottom here roll up again, you're gonna get an next hand, if it's going to give you a next hand. All right. So yeah, man. So just stick and stay and watch and to see if you're gonna get a next hand from this banana here. All right. It's gone 4 and already. Stick and stay. Jamaican farmers up. Yes, my viewers, after a couple days, me know no want to see the banana, you know. Me know no want to see the banana after a couple days. Trust me, me go just back a little to give you that nice view. Look on the banana. Look on the banana, my viewers. Look on the banana. Wow. How pleasant and how good it is. You know, for Mother Nature to grow things. My God, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and wow! The last time it was 4 or 5. Let me go a little closer, show you what's going on with people. Guys, zoom out back. Cause trust me, this is magnificent. Yeah, this is magnificent, my viewers. Now can I check the hand them 1. This is 1. 2, there is 3 around here, 4, 5, 6, and this one makes 7. Wow, so I guess, and there's a next hand. There's a next hand, my viewers. There's a next hand, my viewers. Whoa, look right underneath here, my viewers. You see under here? Here's an next hand right underneath here. Yeah? Right. My God. Whoa. This banana is magnificent, my viewers. It is magnificent. My God. It was 1 hand before. Wow. There was no hand on it before. There was just the shoot. This little part here. Just the shoot out. Now, look what's going on. Ain't it? About 2 weeks now. It's about 2 weeks now. Yeah, it is in the 2nd week now. My God, it is beautiful. Yeah, nature is beautiful. I have to count again because I can't believe it. The last time I checked it was 4 or 5, but now it is 1, 2, 3 down there, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's 1 underneath here. Make 8. It is coming out very soon underneath here. Whoa, my viewers. Yeah, yes, my viewers. This is what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? So each time I come back here, I have to spend a little longer time, you know, because it is magnificently grown. All right. Is magnificently grown. So this is all of the covering. Yeah, this part is here. Yeah, this red part here, burgundy red part here. Yeah, so soon as 1 open, there's a hand. So that this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. I'm gonna keep them. This is 6. This is 7. My God. Finally, this is 8. My God. It is 8 and 8 and is here. So 8 folding is off. Alright? So I'm gonna keep them right here. Yeah, right here underneath this little grass here. Yes, my viewers. And as you can see, there's a next one here. There's a next young one here coming up to be the next mother. Alright? And it's supposed to be a next young one down there, but there's wasps inside that root of banana. But soon as this banana is ready, I'm gonna draw it this way, hold it by the leaf, and draw it this way and cut it. And then take time around that side and cut it down, you know? Yeah. My God. Whoa. Lovely banana, my viewers. Alright, my viewers, stick and stay and wait to see what's up in next tomorrow. Alright? Peace. Yes, my viewers, I'm going to make a check on this banana here. To see what's going on, what's the difference. My viewers and my subscribers. Time to check the banana. Whoa. What is going on here? 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 Whoa. How many honeys here? How many honeys here? How many honeys here? How many honeys here? Alright, let's see. Let's count how many honeys here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 honeys there. Right now it's 9 hand. Alright? It's 9 hand right now. And I guess that's it. I don't know if it's gonna fall a next hand. Right here. This last lap here, I don't know if it's gonna fall a next hand. So it's 9 hand. Alright? It's 9 hand there right now. So every day the banana change. Yeah, and as you can see, it have a lot of things here on the end of the banana. Yeah, don't know the name of these things on the end of the banana here. Yeah, the point of the banana. Don't know, but trust me. Yeah, we're gonna sit and watch it grow, alright? Yeah, so I'm gonna do the video right until the end, until I cut this banana. Yes? Alright? So yes, my viewers, stick and stay. You don't know, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like and to share and to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out, alright? Yeah, man. This is all about the banana. We have it from its shoot, before it shoot. And now it shoot, yeah, we keep watching it day by day to see how it, how it progress, yeah? So we have 9 hands on it right now. First we did have 1 hand, 2 hand, 3 hand right down the line. But now we have 9 hands. Can we count again? Let me set the camera this way and we're gonna count. Whoa. Yeah, alright. Alright, my viewers. The camera kinda move a little. Alright. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 9 on there. Alright? So I guess that's it. Yeah, man. So yeah, stick and stay, my viewers, to see the next day. Alright? Cool. Yes, my viewers, this plant here, notice the looks of the leaf. Notice the looks of the leaf? Yeah. This plant, they call it the cow foot plant. Yeah, it have a lot of medicine properties, but can't recall on them right now. But yes, it is a good herb, Yeah, as you can see, notice how it look, the cow foot plant. All right. Yeah, man, the cow foot plant. That is it, the cow foot plant. Yes, my viewers, stick and stay. All right, this one now, this plant here. This plant. Take a close look on it. Yeah, they call it chigani. Yeah, the chigani plant. Alright? Yeah, so when you pick this to quail, after quail you can put it in your roots. Yeah, when you're making root tonic, you can put it in your root tonic. You understand? Yeah? Noni. Noni. I'm gonna show you in this noni tree here. Yeah, there's a lot of ripe one. It is time to pick noni. Put to drain. Noni. This is noni, my people. Yeah, very good, you know. Yeah, very good for circulation. Yeah? Yeah, man. You put it to drain. After you drain it, you put the bird pepper into it. Yeah, man. You drink a cork a day. Yeah, man. Powerful. Yes, my viewers. Powerful medicine. Noni juice. Good for circulation. Yeah, man. After you drain it off into the juice, you cut 2 bird pepper, put into it, leave it there to soak. Then after you can drink it by the cork. Yeah, a cork a day keep the duck away. You know what I mean? Alright. Alright, my viewers. This is 2 weeks after the last check on the banana. Alright, my viewers. This is 2 weeks past. So I'm gonna show you now what's going on with the banana after 2 weeks. Alright? Yeah, this is what's going on, my viewers. Yeah, the leaf almost broke down. 2 leaf breakdown, so I'm gonna cut them off. I'm gonna trim the chunk of the banana, you know, clean it up nicely, but I'm gonna get rid of the wasp first. But this is the view of what's going on with the banana 2 weeks after the last video. Alright, yeah. So you heard it on Jamaican farmers. Alright, let's see if it is the same 9 hand is on it. Don't know if it is the same 9 hand on it. I can't count it again, you know. But as you can see, yeah, this thing here stop dropping off. So once it stop falling off, you know, the cover, yeah, the hand is stopped right there. There is no more hand is gonna come out. No more hand of banana is gonna come out on it. But trust me, it's a good look. Yeah, can't eat as yet, but give it some more weeks to get fit. Alright, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. It's all about Jamaican farmers. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. So what I'm saying, as you can see, my viewers, if you're new here, my name is Evah. Alright, and I'm been showing you this banana tree here from before it shoot, when it shoot, a day after shoot, and then 2 days after shoot. Yeah, every other day I keep giving you a video, but this is 2 weeks after the last video. So this is what it look like. Yeah, looking very nice. Yeah, so yes, my people, stick and stay, because there's a lot more to come. Yes, my viewers, going back to check the banana 1 month after shoot. Yeah, 1 month after shoot, my people. Show you how pretty it is now. Yeah, 1 month after shoot, my people. 1 month after shoot. This is it. Yeah. Yes, my people. 1 month after shoot. Alright. How it look? Yes, my viewers. 1 month after shoot. Yeah. So I'll give it a next month before we do our next video. Because soon as it fit, that is the time I'm gonna end the video. Alright. All these video clips is gonna put together to make a video. As you can see, this is where all the hand them come from. So this is the time when there is no more hand putting out. So sooner and later, and next month, by 2 months time, yeah, you can cut this off. Yeah, for the banana to get more protein, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So stick and stay, Jamaican farmers out. Yes, my viewers, my beautiful people. One more look on the banana. 2 months after it shoot. 2 months after the banana shoot, my viewers. Look what's going on with it. Look what's going on. 2 months after it shoot. Can you believe it? Yeah. So you know, anytime from now we can cut this part off. Yeah, we always cut it off after a couple days. You know, after about 2 months, when the finger them look like them can't eat. Yeah, cause see that them look like them can't eat. You know what I mean? Cut it off. So yes, my viewers. Yes. 2 months after this banana shoot. And tell me how it look. Look like it can't eat. You know, the top on them always bigger, don't it? Yeah, man, the banana can't eat now. Yeah, man. Jamaican farmers hut. Stick and stay, my people, because you don't know, you know. It's all about. So anytime you guys gonna see this video, it's when the banana fit, and I'm going to cut it that day. I'm gonna upload that video because I am doing some video shots from the banana shoot. Before it shoot until after it shoot and started to grow. So it is 2 months now. Okay? So this can come off, my people. I think this can come off now. Yeah. Yeah, man. It is time to take this off. Yeah, it's time to take this off, my viewers. Yeah, this is where all the hand come from, you know. All those banana there, all those hand, it come from here, out of here. Alright, so right now, let's see if I can pull it. If you can pull one of these, yeah. Tio, that is the banana. That is where the banana come from, alright? So you see it on Jamaican farmers hut, alright? My people, love you all around, you know. Stick and stay, here. One love. Yes, my people, come back to give a check on the banana. Yeah, to see what's going on this bunch of banana here. Tell me, my viewers, tell me if the banana look like it can't eat. Tell me what I got. Look like it can't eat, don't it? Yeah, man, it can't eat. Yeah, almost reach 3 months. Yeah, almost. Alright, my viewers, look on the banana at this time. Yeah, show you the biggest hand. This is the biggest hand. Do you remember when it just started to put out the first hand, the second and the third hand? Do you remember? I'm gonna show you. Okay. Yeah, just started to push out the first hand. Look at it now. Look at it now. Look at it now. Look at it now. I can cut the first hand and heat it. I can cook it right now and eat it. Yeah? It's ready. Yes, my viewers. Yeah, man. It's all about the bunch of banana, you know what I mean? It's all about 3 months now, but don't reach the 3 months as yet. But it can eat. This is the last hand. This is the last hand. The last hand is here. The last hand of banana is here. It can eat. Yeah? Trust me. Beautiful, my people. And one thing I don't want the owner come feed, you know. Yeah. Because in my village, you know, the owner them, you know, the person them who don't plant the banana don't know how it grow, and them always come cut it. So I just don't want them cut it, you know what I mean? So yes, my viewers, stick and stay because I'm gonna show you when I cut this banana. You know what I mean? Carry it to my kitchen. I might be showing you when I cook it, you know, with some ackee and saltfish, don't it? Yeah. Alright, my viewers. Yeah, man. Say you heard it on Jamaican farmers hut, alright? Stick and stay, because there's a lot more to come. Alright, my people. This younger plant here, it was very young when the banana just put out the first hand. This was a very young plant. Look at it now. Let me give you a far view. Look at it now. Yeah, growing very tall, don't it? Yeah, man, growing very tall. I need to cut all these leaves from around. Yeah, yeah. Clear it up, you know what I mean? Yeah, but I don't want to clear it up too clear. That's the whole one for it. Come and cut it and take it. You know? So yes, my viewers, the glare of the sun is shining through. Yeah? The limbs of the trees. Whoa! Morning, my viewers. Morning, morning, my people. The bud files. Big up on yourself. Alright? Yes, my viewers. You don't know. It's all about the banana. Yeah? It's all about the banana, my viewers. Alright, stick and stay, alright? Viewers and subscribers, today is the day when I'm going to cut the banana. Yeah, we are in October now. That is 3 months. Yeah, so it is time now. I'm gonna cut it. If I let it stay any longer, I'm not gonna get it. Someone else is gonna take it. So it is time for me now to cut it. So my viewers and my subscribers, I show you this banana from scratch, from start to finish. So I needed to stick and stay to see what's gonna happen, alright? And the looks of the banana after cut it down. Yes, my people. Yeah, man. You see how it look? Yeah, I have to cut it right now. Because if I don't cut it now, I'm not gonna get it. Someone else is gonna take it. You understand? Stick and stay, my people. That's it, my people. That's it, my viewers. Yeah, time to eat some banana ackee and saltfish. You know the move, not true? Alright, my viewers, hear what's going on now. You don't know if I cut off the banana, the chunk don't have no more use, so we have to cut down the chunk, don't it? Stick and stay. My shit is not that sharp now, but it is down. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, my viewers. How it look? Yeah, man, I don't need it much bigger than this. You know, these banana when them reach to get extra fit, yeah, them kind of hard, you know. Yeah, so I like it at this stage. Yeah, man. Viewers and my subscribers, stick and stay. It's all about Jamaican farmers. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I show you this banana plant when it just shoot until it grow and grow and grow and grow and grow. Alright. As you can see, there's the next one out. Yeah. Soon time for it to shoot and then grow. Then I cut it. Yeah. So my viewers and my subscribers, stick and stay. It's all about Jamaican farmers. Seeing? All of love and blessings. And thank you all for watching. Peace. And I'm out. See you in the next video, guys.